What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Audi SQ5 remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2019 to 2022 Audi SQ5 and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will come out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot that this emergency key just slid out of. What I'm going to do is take my key and push it back in that slot, but I'm going to come in at an angle like this, and when I push it in about this far, at that kind of angle, it should pop this back cover up. So come in here at an angle and then push, and if you can see, it pops that back cover up just a little bit and will allow you to get your finger on it like this and pull that off. If you're unable to do that with your finger, you can also use a small flathead screwdriver. Just so you can see what's happening there, as I'm pushing in like this, what I'm pushing on is this tab right here, and that's what pops that back cover up. But anyway, once we get our cover off, we can see our battery right here. And I'm going to come right here and get my finger on it and get it out of that little holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this part in first, down here like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then I'm going to grab my cover, and if you notice on this cover, there's two tabs right here. That's what I'm going to start in first. So I'm going to slide those two tabs in, and then snap that back cover down, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.